In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Forms to create a survey. This is a powerful tool that can help you gather valuable insights and feedback from your audience. So, let's get started on learning how to create an effective survey using Microsoft Forms. First, navigate to forms.office.com and sign in using your Microsoft 365 account. This is your starting point and will give you access to all the features that Microsoft Forms has to offer. Once you're logged in, you'll see a clean interface that's designed to make survey creation as easy as possible. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Explore Templates. This feature is incredibly useful, especially if you're not sure where to start or if you need some inspiration. Microsoft provides a range of templates that can serve as a foundation for your survey, saving you time and effort. Next, select Survey from the list of template categories. This will filter the templates to show only those designed for surveys, which makes it much easier to find the perfect template for your needs. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a variety of templates you can use. The range available means you're likely to find one that suits your purposes, whether it's a customer satisfaction survey, an event feedback form, or something entirely different. Once you've found a template that you like, click on it to begin customization. Microsoft Forms allows you to adapt the template according to your unique requirements. You can add new questions or edit the pre-made questions that are already available within the template. This flexibility ensures that your survey asks exactly what you need to know from your audience. To take it a step further, customize the appearance of your form by clicking on Style, located above the survey questions. Here you can choose from various layouts and images to make your form visually appealing. An attractive form can often lead to better engagement and higher response rates, so don't forget this step. Before you finalize your survey, it's a good idea to preview it by clicking on Preview. This feature allows you to see your form from the respondent's perspective. It's a crucial step to ensure that everything looks good and functions correctly before sending it out. And there you have it, you've just created a survey using Microsoft Forms. With these simple steps, you're now equipped to gather insightful feedback quickly and easily. Remember, the power of a good survey is in its planning and execution. So take your time to ensure every question is relevant and your form is visually engaging. Dive in, explore, and create surveys that meet your goals. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.